Young man and young woman of today, let me show you. Tell you secret if you want to live long in the journey of life. If you want to prosper, success in the journey of life. Respect and honor. Obey your father, your mother. Give them go like pure water. Respect them, fear them, but fear God first. That is the secret. God let them bless you in the name.